Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make your Instagram account private. If you are looking to have more control over who sees your posts, stories and followers, making your account private is a super easy step. So let's get started. First things first, find the Instagram app on your home screen. Now open it. Once you are in the app, head over to your profile. You can do this by tapping your profile picture. Now tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Next, scroll down and find the option Account Privacy. Now select it. Here you will see an option called Private Account. Once you slide it over, Instagram will ask you to confirm that you want to make your account private. Simply tap on Switch to Private. So now that your account is private, this means only people who follow you will be able to see your posts, stories and followers. And that's it. Now you can enjoy a more secure and private Instagram experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.